So here's the Taranis X-Lite and here's the Taranis Q, and the size of the Q is the size of the box of the X-Lite, non-LBT version. The 16 X-Lite is the Pro version. So the case of the X-Lite is the size of the Taranis Q. Thickness wise it's larger a little bit. Screwdriver, maybe a heat shrink, and a screw. These are heavy. This is pretty heavy also. So here's a size comparison. Width is just a little bit less, 2 fingers. The height is around 4 fingers less. Thickness, it does not have this metal. Other than that is roughly the same, but this is curved. These sticks stick out more than here. But overall the height is the same, from stick to bottom. So it's spring loaded in both directions, yaw and throttle, pitch and roll. Three positions, 2 positions, 2, this is not jumping back, and also 3. Another button. Another one, a potentiometer, another one, that's for antenna, button, tiny joystick, and button, and more buttons. Some 3.5mm audio, micro USB, micro SD memory card, and for the programming of the receiver you have to insert the screw there. I'm already rotating this one with my finger. So that one's empty, that one is empty also. No battery, so that's the original, that's the additional one. It has this cut on the side, you have to align these things. No, not that way, but maybe that one. Yes, that one. Now it's even taller. Module bay. Things on the side have to enter there.